We will unveil an exciting opportunity that allows you to earn a whopping $350 each day by simply watching movies. Imagine getting paid to do something you love while indulging in your favorite films. In this video, we will uncover how you can make money online in 2023 by turning your passion for movies into a profitable venture. With this unique method, you have the advantage of hand-picking the movies you want to watch while getting paid for it. No more sitting through tedious films or content you're not interested in. Instead, you can create your own movie marathon, explore different genres, and enjoy the cinematic experience, all while earning a substantial income. The beauty of this opportunity is that it combines entertainment and earning money, allowing you to have fun while making a living. Imagine the joy of getting paid to immerse yourself in captivating stories, incredible performances, and breathtaking visuals. It's definitely a dream come true for movie enthusiasts who want to monetize their love for films. So stay tuned to learn how you can start earning $350 each day by watching movies and turning your passion into profit. We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills, and we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits. Our first website on the list is FilmTagger.com. To access it, simply type FilmTagger.com into a new browser tab or search for it on Google and click the first search result. While the idea of earning money by watching movies may seem far-fetched, FilmTagger makes it more attainable than you might think. This platform caters to screenwriters, directors, movie enthusiasts, and students by providing a movie recommendation tool to discover films to watch. Now here's a secret that most movie enthusiasts don't know: it has the potential to earn you a substantial amount of money while enjoying the movies you love. When you explore FilmTagger, you'll find movies with tags that indicate their genre, theme, setting, and more. By clicking on specific buttons, you can discover popular movie themes and even find movies that match your preferences. FilmTagger is the ultimate tool for movie discovery, whether you're a passionate fan seeking the best films or a film student looking to prioritize your studies. Simply enter a movie's name in the search bar, and you'll find the matching results on the website. Additionally, by clicking on the movie description and selecting show or hide keywords, you can see genre matches and other keywords that provide a better understanding of the film. Now let's move on to our second website, Netflix. To understand the importance of tags, let's explore why they matter. You can visit jobs.netflix.com to find opportunities as a movie tagger. As a movie tagger, your role is to watch movies and TV shows available on Netflix and assign appropriate tags based on specific criteria. By doing so, you can earn up to $350 per day. This includes providing subjective information to entice viewers and objective facts like the cast. Keep in mind that Netflix's website is the primary source for tagger positions, so be diligent in your search to increase your chances of securing a role. Bookmark the Netflix jobs page and check regularly for available positions. Moving on to our third website, Nielsen.com offers an intriguing opportunity to get paid for watching movies. Nielsen is a well-known name on media assessments with over 9 years of experience in television ratings. They conduct consumer research in over 100 countries. By enrolling in the Nielsen computer and mobile panel, you can participate in their research and gain insights into consumer behavior. Simply install the Nielsen program on your computer, tablet, or smartphone and continue watching your favorite TV shows, movies, or other online content as usual. The great part is that you don't have to change your viewing habits or endure unwanted advertisements. The setup is hassle-free, and you get to choose what you watch. Participating in the program also enters you into monthly sweepstakes with a chance to win prizes. And lastly, let's explore WindHub.com, our fourth website. On WindHub, you can make at least $1 per minute by watching videos online, including commercials, movies, and TV shows. Additionally, you can earn money by referring friends. So when your friend signs up, you will receive $1 while they receive $5. And once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can transfer your earnings to your PayPal or bank account. WindHub has partnered with over 1,500 brands to provide a wide variety of videos for you to watch regularly. In conclusion, these four websites, FilmTagger, Netflix, Nielsen, and WindHub, offer exciting opportunities to earn money while watching movies. Whether it's discovering new films, working as a movie tagger, participating in consumer research, or watching videos online, these platforms provide different avenues for movie enthusiasts to monetize their passion. So why not explore these websites and start making money while enjoying the movies you love? This is how people from all over the world can use this technique to earn $10, $15, or $60 per day, or even hundreds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.